हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द लाइट एकेडमी यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म। आपको पता है हमने यहाँ पे पीवाईक्यूज़ की सीरीज़ को शुरू किया हुआ है। अब आज हम पी ट्रिपल एस पी के वही अपने पीवाईक्यूज़ की सीरीज़ को आगे करेंगे, जिसमें हम पी ट्रिपल एस पी प्लस सीडीएस के सारे पीवाईक्यूज़ को डिस्कस करेंगे। ठीक है, आज हमारा चैप्टर था इन्फिनिटिव्स। आज हम इन्फिनिटिव्स के क्वेश्चन करेंगे। आई वुड बी टेलिंग यू द आंसर्स कि किस पे क्या आंसर बनता है। आई वुडेंट एडवाइस यू टेकिंग द कार टू जोसफ। इसका क्या आएगा? टू टेक द कार टू जोसफ। अच्छा, एक हमारे पास होते हैं इन्फिनिटिव्स और एक हमारे पास होते हैं जैरेंट। इन्फिनिटिव्स में आपका क्या आता है? इसमें आपका आता है टू प्लस वी वन, और जेरेंट में आपके पास आता है वी वन प्लस आई एन जी। ये टेकिंग हमारा क्या है? जेरेंट है, और ये टू टेक हमारा क्या है? इन्फिनिटिव। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। दे आर रिलीव टू फाइंड द ट्रैफिक फ्लोइंग मोर इजीली। आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू मीटिंग यू। लुक फॉरवर्ड टू मीटिंग यू। लुक फॉरवर्ड के साथ आपका पी ट्रिपल एस के कई बार डाल चुके हैं। लुक फॉरवर्ड के साथ हमारा हमेशा क्या आता है? जेरेंट आता है। लुक फॉरवर्ड टू मीटिंग यू। आगे, आई प्रेफर टू टेकिंग मेट्रो टू ड्राइविंग। ठीक है, ए ऑप्शन इज आंसर। आई वंडर इट इज राइट टू चार्ज पीपल फॉर ड्राइविंग इन द सिटी। बी पार्ट इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। शीला suggested seeing a movie after the work. She enjoys reading the science fiction. I feel I feel like to go to movie. No error, to go ही आएगा आगे। Ninth question. It isn't wrong to defend oneself. No error, again no error. I can't imagine jumping out of a flying plane. 11th question. On February 17, 2003, a congestion charge for driving in central London was introduced. The aim was to reduce the number of vehicles in the city of London. आगे, I think defending oneself is the right thing to do if one is not wrong. No error. I feel like to eat something now. Correct. No error. Again, no error. Next, would you mind helping me write an application? Next question. I regret to inform you your son has been detained. Next, 16. There you learn to speak German. Again, I regret missing the exam due to illness. Drinking and drive cannot go together. Drinking and driving. बी पार्ट आएगा इसका आंसर। 18th में बी आएगा आपका। आगे, डू यू ऑब्जेक्ट टू माइन नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? टू माई वर्किंग ऑन संडे। ए आंसर आएगा इसमें। आई एम नॉट यूज टू गेट अप अर्ली। गेटिंग अप अर्ली आएगा। आई एम नॉट यूज टू गेटिंग अप अर्ली। ठीक है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल क्वेश्चन थे। अब हम लेवल 2 पे चलते हैं। लेवल 2 के आंसर्स को हम डिस्कस करते हैं। ठीक है, हम लेवल 2 में देखते हैं कि हमारे कैसे क्वेश्चन पढ़ रहे हैं। चलो देखो। द मॉडल प्रैक्टिस वॉकिंग विद अ बूट बैलेंस्ड ऑन देयर हेड। Correct, no error. My friend promised to take care of my pet while I was on vacation. Witnesses report to have seen the bank robbers while they were scaling the wall. I don't mind cooking when the servant is not well. No error. I can't stand him complaining all the time. His complaining all the time. कि मैं उसके साथ दिन शिकायतें नहीं सुन सकती। आगे, I remember to go for trekking when I was a kid. Correct, no error है इसमें भी आपका। I don't have a pen to write. No error. ये भी आपका बिल्कुल ठीक है। आगे चलते हैं। The passing marks that we needed seemed a distant dream for most of us. No error. This project is not worth to risk all your money. Again, no error. We must avoid to use cell phones while we are in courtrooms. Again, no error. ये sentence तो ठीक है, सारे ठीक है। I would try to take a new look now. Again, no error. 12th, I wasn't sure of him contesting the Lok Sabha election. No error. I tried lifting the suitcase but it was too heavy. No error. She has no bed to sleep. No error. ये सारे sentences ही ठीक है। He said that his wife didn't have dressing sense. No error. Our teacher won't allow us to use calculators. No error. Due to me being an unknown face, I was refused admittance. No error. Your hair needs cutting. A option. I hope you don't mind me listening to music while you sleep. A option. She prefers me making dinner as she is not good at cooking. 21. She likes to go fishing. 22. I dislike him eavesdropping habit. eavesdropping मतलब होता है चोरी छुपे बातें सुनना, ठीक है. I dislike him eavesdropping habit so much that I cannot stand it anymore. No error. क्लियर. इसमें तो आपके ऑलमोस्ट सारे सेंटेंसेस ही ठीक थे. चलो अब हम लेवल 3 पे चलते हैं, उसमें हम अपने आंसर्स देखते हैं, ठीक है. यस, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेयर डू यू लर्न. ये हमें ऊपर भी क्या ना, वेयर डू यू लर्न टू स्पीक जापान German, sorry, Japan is German. I wouldn't advise you to take the car to Janpat. She prefer to make dinner as she's not good at cooking. आगे, would you mind helping me to write an application. ये भी क्वेश्चन हमने ऊपर किया था. We must avoid using cell phones in courtroom. Witness reported to have seen all the bank robbers while they were scaling the wall. I regret missing the exam due to illness. I regret to inform you that your result has been cancelled. I feel like going to a movie tonight. I prefer taking metro to driving. ठीक है. आगे एक ऑप्शन दिस आंसर था. 11th पे चलते हैं. Our teachers won't allow us to use calculators during the test. I can't stand his complaining all the time. ये भी ऊपर क्वेश्चन था. I'm not used to getting up early in the morning. She enjoys reading the science fiction. Sheila suggested seeing a movie after work. My friend promised to take care of my pet while I'm on a vacation. सारे क्वेश्चन रिपीट है. I can't imagine jumping out of a flying plane. I look forward to meeting the president. कि मैं क्या था ना, I look forward के साथ आएगा 2 plus gerund. आगे, do you object me working on Sundays? The model practiced walking with the book on balanced on their head. Level 4 देखते हैं अब हम. She enjoys reading science fiction. ये भी क्वेश्चन रिपीट है. I wouldn't advise you to take the car to Janpat. My friend promised to take care of my pet while I'm on a vacation. Our teacher won't allow us to use calculators. ये सारे क्वेश्चंस रिपीट है. I can't imagine jumping out of flying plane. The model practiced walking with the book balanced on their head. I feel like going for a movie tonight. Where did you learn to speak German? Would you mind helping me write an application? I prefer taking metro to driving. We must avoid using cell phones in courtroom. Reporters witnessed to have seen the bank robbers while they're scaling the wall. Do you object me working on Sundays? I'm not used to wake up in the morning. I regret missing the exam due to illness. C option इसका D नहीं है, C है. I regret to inform you that the result has been cancelled. I look forward to meeting the president. I can't stand his complaining all the time. She prefers me to make dinner as she's not good at cooking. Sheila suggested seeing a movie after work. ये सारे क्वेश्चन ही रिपीटेड थे. आगे चलते लेवल 5 पे देखते हैं. They are relieved to find flowing. ये भी हमारे लेवल 1 में ही था. Flowing the traffic more easily now. I wonder if it is right to charge people for driving in the city. I don't mind cooking when servant is not well. He admitted copying the answer during the exam. He kept talking even after being told to stop. The doctor recommended drinking more water every day. Drinking and driving cannot go safe together. B option. He tried to open the locked door but failed. He forgot to switch off the lights before leaving the house. She stopped to meet the friend on the way home. I would like to try a new look now. I wasn't sure of his contesting the Lok Sabha elections. It isn't wrong to defend oneself if one is truly innocent. On 17th February 2003, ये भी ऊपर था. A congestion charged for driving in central London was introduced. The aim was to reduce the number of vehicles in the city. She stopped crying when she heard the bad news. I remember meeting her at the party last year. Last level 6 पे चलते हैं. They finished writing the report just before the deadline. D option. He is determined to win the competition this year. They decided to go abroad for the higher studies. She considered leaving her job to start her new own business. He denied stealing any money from the office. She is used to working for long hours at the hospital. He tends to put things off until the last minute. The child refused to take the bitter medicine. She managed to complete the project on a time despite the difficulties. I appreciate being given the opportunity to speak. The athlete gave up training after the inquiry. I dislike his eavesdropping. ये हमने किया था ना हैबिट्स वाला, उस तब उन्होंने यहाँ पे कहीं और ब्लैंक दी थी, अब उन्होंने eavesdropping पे ब्लैंक दे दी हुई है. ठीक है. He hesitated to speak the truth in front of everyone. He began telling the truth only after he was caught. He practiced playing the piano every day before the concert. The teacher encouraged the students to read more books. Clear? Okay. हमारे ना कुछ चैप्टर्स होते हैं वो साथ में चलते हैं, जैसे कि इन्फिनेटिव्स हो गया, जायरेंट्स हो गए और पार्टिसिपल्स हो गए. ठीक है. हमने इन्फिनेटिव्स कर लिए हैं, ये हमने कर लिया. अब हम पार्टिसिपल्स भी साथ में इंसिस्ट कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. पार्टिसिपल के आपके पास सिर्फ 2 ही लेवल आते हैं, तो ये भी हम साथ में कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. दे आर वेरी इजी, सिंपल, वेरी सिंपल. चलो. Not having met for 10 years, they had a lot to talk about. D option, I guess. A girl wearing a red dress opened the door. The house belonging to the poet was sold for a song. The glass filled with water was kept on the table. He was sitting in his bed reading a newspaper. Born to poor parents, he had to work hard to make the both ends meet. Both ends meet का मतलब ये होता है कि अपने डेली के खर्चे वगैरह चलाना. ठीक है. ये हमारा इडियम भी आता है. बोथ हैंड्स मीट मतलब कि आपकी ये चादर है, चादर में आपने रहना और अपने खर्चे चलाना है. आगे. Having parked the car, he went to the police station to lodge his complaint. Tea produced in Assam is exported all over the world. Not having studied enough for exam, he couldn't pass the final semester. Having an assignment to finish, I cannot come to meet you. It is proven fact that insects resort to chemical communication. Being a spoiled child, he often behaved in an affected manner. Having seen the movie many times, he knows the dialogues by heart. Regretting his words, he apologized and withdrew his statement. A truck carrying vegetables ran into a bus. Being a good dancer in my school days, I found it is easier to learn the new steps. Impressed by my work, my boss gave me a hike in my salary. She worked in a bakery making pies and cakes. Working in the same industry for years, we know each other very well. Picture painted by Hussein sold for millions of dollars. Level 2 देखते अब. He was sitting in his bed reading a newspaper. Working in the same industry for years, we know each other very well. ये हमने level 1 में भी देखा था ये same question. आगे ये भी हमने देखा था ग्लास वाला. इसका क्या था? The glass filled with water was kept on the table. ये भी हमने ऊपर ही देखा था. Not having met her for around 10 years, they had lot to talk about. Born to poor parents, ये भी हमने किया है. आई गेस ये सारे क्वेश्चन ही ना लेवल 1 में नहीं आते, बाद में आपके रिपीट हो रहे हैं. चलो ठीक है, इसमें आपकी भी प्रैक्टिस हो ही रही है. Having been a spoiled child, he often behaved in an unaffected manner. Regretting his words, he apologized and withdrew his statement. Having parked the car, he went to the police station to lodge his complaint. Having seen the movie many times, he knew the dialogues by heart. A girl wearing a red dress opened the door. Tea produced in Assam is exported all over the world. She worked in a bakery making pies and cakes. The house belonging to poet was sold for a song. Picture painted by Hussein sold for millions of dollars. A truck Carrying vegetables ran into the bus. Impressed by my work, my boss gave me hike in my salary. Not having studied enough for his exam, he couldn't pass the final semester. Having finished an assignment, he cannot come to meet you. Having been a good dancer in my school days, I found it is easier to learn the new steps. It is a proven fact that insects resort to chemical communication. ठीक है, चलो दैट्स ऑल. या हमने आपके अभी मैंने आपको इन्वर्जन बोल रही हूँ, इन्फिनेटिव्स करवाए हैं. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम इन्वर्जन्स करेंगे. और मैंने आपको पार्टिसिपल्स करवाए हैं. दीज आर वेरी सिंपल. बस आपको ये देखना होता है कि आपको टू कहाँ पे लगाना है. टू प्लस वर्ब की वन फर्स्ट फॉर्म कहाँ लगानी है. ये वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी कहाँ लगानी है. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, जेरेंट बोलते हैं. आपको ऑलरेडी एक वर्ड गिवन होगा, आपको V1 गिवन होगा. आपको उसको ही देखना है कि आपको उसको इन्फिनेटिव में बनाना है कि जेरेंट में बनाना है. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चंस बहुत सिंपल थे. अगर कोई भी डाउट हो फिर भी तो लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. बाकी आप हमारे साथ जुड़ सकते हो. हमारे पास ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन बैच दोनों चल रहे हैं. और एक तो हमारा भी नया बैच शुरू हो रहा है 1 जून से. ठीक है, मेक श्योर कि आप हमारे साथ जोड़ो क्योंकि अभी टाइम है. आप एग्जाम्स के लिए अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन करो. दिस इज़ आवर नंबर एंड दिस इज़ एड्रेस. डू विजिट अस. ठीक है, एवरीवन, ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर. थैंक यू सो मच.